In this segment, we're going to go over how to format fields in a pivot table. Values in a pivot table may need to be formatted into an accounting structure with a dollar sign, or maybe they need to go out to only 2 decimal places, or maybe they need to be summarized by the total information. Values in a pivot table also may need to be averaged. If we look at the information in our pivot table, the total values shown as a sum of total column have virtually no formatting, no dollar sign, no commas between the large number strings, just big numbers that are summarized. In our case, maybe we want to show the data in an accounting format to show costs with a dollar sign. We can accomplish this by formatting our sum of total value field. There are multiple ways to format fields in a pivot table. One way to format a field is to hover over it in the pivot table layout area and right-click. A list of available options that can be done on the field are available. The very bottom option called Value Field Settings is one way to format our field. When we click the Value Field Settings option, a new window appears. This window is called the Value Field Settings window, and here the user can adjust the field or value to whatever they deem suitable. The first option in this window is the Custom Name field. Here the user can change the name that appears on the field itself. For instance, if we knew that this information or field was really the total salary of everything, we could change the name of the field to be total salary and not sum of total. There's lots of customization, but really it's up to the user to decide what they want to name their fields. The lower section of the Value Field Settings window allows the user to summarize their data by such methods as a sum, total, count, etc. This is how the value in the pivot table will calculate. The default calculation method or formatting type is sum. At the very bottom of the Value Field Settings window is a small box called Number Format. Once clicked, the user can change the format of the numbers themselves in the field. In our original scenario discussion, it was mentioned that we wanted to show our data, our sum of data, in an accounting format with a dollar sign. We can accomplish this by selecting the accounting format on the number format window and then click the OK button at the bottom. Notice how the pivot table sum of total column changes. We now have everything in an accounting format with dollar signs. Another way to format fields in a pivot table is to click on the column itself that the user wants to format. Up on the top menu ribbon, the user can click the Pivot Table Analyze tab in the Active Field area of the ribbon. The user can select the Field Settings button. Notice how the same Value Field Setting window appears just like before. There are many ways to accomplish the same desired outcome in Excel. Do whatever feels best or is easiest to remember. And there you have it. We formatted a field in our pivot table. Formatting can be a powerful tool for articulating data from the table in a visual format.